Hi, I'm Dorothy, and today we are going to work with a spice that is referred to as Tajin in Mexico. It's actually a chili lime salt, and 3 ingredients: chili peppers, dehydrated lime, and salt. So we're going to use it in a pineapple margarita as a rim, but it's also really popular in Mexican street food or snacks just sprinkled onto fruit. Okay, so for the salts, we can use either kosher salt or pink Himalayan salt. They do make a slightly different texture, so I wanted to try both of them to see which one works better for the rimming salt. So we want a tablespoon of salt. This one's the pink Himalayan salt. This one is the kosher salt. This is going to be a little coarser. 2 teaspoons of the true lime. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And then a teaspoon and a half of chili powder. I'm using chipotle. It's fairly hot, so it's going to make our rim pretty spicy. 1.5 teaspoons. But you can use all different kinds of hot peppers. Chipotle is smoky. It's a smoked jalapeno, so it adds a nice smokiness to it. Then you just mix these up. And this is the one with the pink Himalayan salt, the one with the kosher salt. Okay, you can see that's a little bit coarser texture there. All right, let's make the margarita, the pineapple margarita. So for the rimming salt, I'm going to put the half of it with the less coarse pink Himalayan salt and half of it with the other. And we'll see if it makes a difference. To rim a cocktail, you need citrus, like a lime, a lemon, grapefruit, anything to squeeze it. Water doesn't work too well. It doesn't stick very well. Just rim your glass with a little piece of that. And then put it on the dish. And it doesn't look that different. I think the coarser one might look a little bit nicer, but 6 of one, half dozen of the other. Fill your shaker with ice, and then you want 2 jiggers of gin, or 3 ounces, because this is 1.5 ounce jigger. And you want some ginger lime syrup, and this is sweet and fresh. If you don't want to use ginger lime syrup, you can just use squeezed limes. And then you want some pineapple juice, and I'm taking it right out of I bought one of these cans so I can use it for garnish also. And then you can put in 1.5 to 2 jiggers of pineapple juice. Give it a stir to make it nice and cold. And use your strainer. And you have a Tajin rimmed pineapple margarita. Don't forget the garnish, ever so important to put little garnishes on, make it fancy. And then the taste test. It's delightful. The spicy rim really adds to the drink. The drink itself is not spicy, but the rim just makes everything go down with that wonderful sweet and spicy taste. Cheers. Next up, we're going to use the Tajin on fruit, by the way. So come back, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you want to see more, and we'll see you at the next video.